I'm back again. Yeah. I thought I would share some kind of 11, 11 things about Britain that just made me go, really? Yeah. I found these out and I was like, oh, I have to make a video about them. So, the first one is English people of Britain eat twice as many baked beans per head as the Americans do. Can you believe that? How can we eat so much baked beans? Maybe it's because we are stupid and are poor and I don't know. We eat a lot of baked beans apparently. You know, the second point is that the London Underground, trains and stuff, there are 80,000 umbrellas lost annually on the London Underground. Wow. I want one. Okay, I always lose my umbrella. That's probably one of my umbrellas when I went to London, that I lost mine there as well. Yeah, number 3. This reminded me of Doctor Who so much. There are 30,000 John Smiths in Britain. Did you know that? Did you know that? I hope that's 30,000. Yeah, that looks like 30,000. Yeah. In Britain, John Smith. Yeah. I don't actually know a John Smith. That's kind of weird. But yeah. 4? Are we on 4? Britain is the only country in the world that doesn't have its country name on its postage stamp. We just have this much of the Queen. That way. She's turned sideways. Yeah. That just reminds me of the joke on TV the other day where Russell Howard, you know Russell Howard, he's an amazing comedian, pulls up the blanket to his head and he's like, oh Charles, look, I'm a postage stamp. Sorry. Yeah. Anyway, what number were we on? 5? This made me laugh because everyone who knows me knows I like gay chickens and like that's my saying. But did you know there are more chickens in England than humans? Wow. I think that's because we tend to eat them all, but I like chicken. What number are we on? 6. You know the Great Fire of London? That destroyed like most of London. That was like a while ago, but that destroyed all the city. But only 6 people were killed. I don't know why, but only 6. 7? In England, you know the people that paint lines on the road? Yeah. They get paid more than the firefighters. How unfair is that? The firefighters risk their lives every day and they don't get paid as much as white line drawer people. Oh my god. The white line people earn 50,000 a year and firefighters only earn 25,000 a year. That's stupid. That's on average, by the way. Yeah. What number are we on? 8? England is 74 times smaller than the USA, but 59 times smaller than Australia and 3 times smaller than Japan. England, however, is 2.5 times more populous than Australia and 1.5 times more populous than California. With 2.5 times less inhabitants than Japan, its density, no, I can't say that name, of population is slightly higher than the country of the rising sun. Yeah, that was an interesting fact. Yeah, there's lots of people that live in England and I don't know why, because the weather's crap. But the weather's good today. Yeah, it's actually kind of really hot. It's 20.8 degrees Celsius. That's really hot. You know, yeah. Okay. You don't care. Anyway, 9. That's 9, isn't it? 9. The highest temperature. Oh look! Olympics factors about temperature. Sorry. The highest temperature ever recorded in England, in the UK, was 38.5 degrees. I remember this. It was in Kent on the 10th of August 2003. That was boiling, and I know Americans complain when it's like under 20 degrees. They're like, oh, it's so cold. But yeah, we get a lot of minuses and stuff over here. It's freezing. Yeah. Yeah. 10. English people consume more tea than anyone around the world. 2.5 times more than Japanese and 22 times more than American or the French. Yeah, I didn't know that. I don't even like tea. I hate tea. I'm not typical English British. Yeah. And number 11, finally. 11. The national anthem of the United States, you know that one? The Star Spangled Banner thing, was composed by an Englishman, John Smith. Oh my god, his name's Smith. John Smith. Okay, sorry. And he's from Gloucestershire. Yeah. That's interesting. Woo! England invented your national anthem. Oh yeah. Sorry. Yeah, so interesting facts about England. Right. I bet you're bored now and you didn't even listen to half of that, but okay.